Welcome to a quick video of OpenERP on IBM Linux on Power Platform.
The line between you and the business applications you need shouldn't be a winding path. Unnecessary detours take time and focus away from critical business issues. What's needed is a shortcut to solutions, one that amplifies ease of use by combining two industry-leading solutions for unprecedented simplicity, saving your business time and money. Introducing OpenPro Enterprise Resource Planning Web-based Solution. Businesses of all sizes and across a variety of industries have already discovered OpenPro Web-based Solution. Its ease of use and open-source technology, OpenPro delivers a flexible, scalable, and full-featured management solution. And with its suite of integrated products, OpenPro's web-based solution can handle all your financial, supply chain, e-commerce, manufacturing, and CRM needs. For example, the OpenPro Integrated E-commerce Shopping Cart supports business-to-consumer and business-to-business applications, allowing you to simultaneously service both retail and wholesale distribution customers. OpenPro ERP software is an agile system that supports a variety of manufacturing modes and combinations, including make-to-stock, make-to-order, and assemble-to-order. OpenPro Multi-Site Planning manages materials and capacity planning over single or multiple sites using planning networks, master schedules, and supply-demand data. The OpenPro Sales Order Product Configurator allows you to efficiently plan both demand and supply of material and track project costs in detail. And with OpenPro Free PBX integration, your computer, ERP business system, and phone system can all be integrated into one package. As the first ERP system designed to run on the web, OpenPro ensures that your business is accessible from anywhere there is an internet connection. And its module-based design allows you to choose from a wide range of user-friendly software modules, ensuring that you only pay for what you need. With its open architecture, OpenPro web-based solution was designed for ease of use and fast implementation, but it just got easier. Straighten your path to solutions and stay focused on growing your business with OpenPro ERP web-based solution and